I am surprised. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary. So this is a review video of Minimalist Niacinamide Serum, and this is the 10% niacinamide. I've been using it for the past 4 weeks and now I'm ready to share the review of this serum. Let's talk about the price and quantity of this serum. It comes in a 30 ml quantity and this is priced at $5.99. Next is packaging. They have changed the packaging quite a few times. I think they are going to change it again. They're going to make some changes in the packaging. So right now it comes in this cardboard box, and this outer box has all the information about the serum, the expiry date and ingredient list as well. Ingredients is mentioned both on the outer box as well as on the bottle. This is a glass bottle. It has the ingredients and all important details mentioned on this one as well, so even if you throw this away, it's fine. It comes in this dropper packaging. Some serums they come with pump and there are different types of packaging, but dropper is better. Next is the texture and consistency. The texture looks like this. It's not too watery, it's a little bit thick as compared to other serums. This is because the base ingredient is aloe vera juice instead of water. It gets absorbed very quickly. It feels slightly sticky when it's freshly applied, but once you have applied moisturizer on top of it, then the stickiness goes away. Another thing is it has a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. They have all important details and everything related to the product mentioned on their website. Next part is the ingredients. So this is the complete ingredient list. You can pause and read it. Another important detail I wanted to mention is that they have two variants of niacinamide serum. One is the 5% and this one which I have is the 10% one. The ingredient list of both these products are slightly different because the 5% one has hyaluronic acid and this one has zinc, and I will be listing down timestamps in the description box. If you're not interested in the breakdown of the ingredients, you can skip and move on to the next step. So as I already mentioned that the base ingredient, which is the first ingredient, is aloe vera juice. If you're allergic to aloe vera, then this product is not for you, but if aloe vera gel or if aloe vera ingredient works for you, then it's amazing. Aloe vera is generally very great for the skin. It's a humectant and it's a very soothing ingredient, so it works very well in this serum. Next ingredient is obviously niacinamide, which is the active ingredient. Niacinamide is great. I've made a detailed video about the benefits and everything related to niacinamide. If you want, you can check it out. I will link it over here. Third ingredient is dimethyl isosorbate. This is a solvent. Next ingredient is propanediol. This is a solvent and it helps in controlling the fluidity. Next ingredient is ethoxydiglycol. This is also a solvent and this is a humectant. Next ingredient is zinc PCA. This, along with niacinamide, it has zinc. Zinc is great ingredient for someone who has acne prone skin. It helps in controlling acne and it prevents acne, so it works very well along with niacinamide. Next ingredient, they have put phenoxyethanol as a preservative in this one. Phenoxyethanol is used in a lot of skincare products. It's a generally safe preservative. Next is ethyl hexyl glycerin. This is skin conditioning ingredient. Next is hydroxyethyl cellulose. This is a stabilizer. Next ingredient is polulin. This is a new ingredient which I did not come across before, so I had to read about it. So I read that it gives that tightening and firming effect to the skin. And the next one is xanthan gum. This is another ingredient used in a lot of products. This is like a thickening agent. It's stabilizing, so it helps with controlling the fluidity and stabilizing the formulation. Next ingredient is sclerotium gum. This is a thickening ingredient just like xanthan gum and gel forming ingredient, and it is also stabilizing. Last ingredient is lecithin. This is an emollient. It is a multi-purpose ingredient. It acts as an emollient and it also helps in stabilizing the formula. So these none of these ingredients are potential irritant. So let me share how I like to use this serum. So after washing my face in the nighttime skincare routine, I like to apply 2 drops of this serum. I pat it into the skin and allow it to get absorbed. I wait for a minute and then I go in with my moisturizer. Next, I want to talk about my overall review for this product. When I started using this serum, from the second day itself I started noticing quite a lot of differences. So when I started using it, I started with 3 drops of the serum, but that was slightly too much and it was making my skin a little bit more dry. So after that I started using only 2 drops of the serum. From the second day itself I started noticing some difference. My skin was looking very healthy and dewy when I started using. I also noticed my face was less oily as it was controlling the sebum production. My skin had become overall very dewy. It was looking very healthy and very soft and smooth. I'm saying was because I'm talking about the past experience, but it still feels the same. It still feels very dewy and very soft and smooth. But another thing that surprised me was like also reducing blackheads and whiteheads on my nose. And usually my nose used to feel very rough and because of the blackheads and whiteheads, so it has somehow, I don't know, reduced the blackheads and whiteheads that I used to get earlier. Another benefit of niacinamide, which I also shared in my previous video, is that it helps in reducing the appearance of pores, fine lines, and it helps reducing pigmentation too. Regards to these things, I have not yet noticed any difference with pores and with pigmentation. Maybe it will take some time because these things take time to show results. Once I finish the full bottle and I share in my empties, I will update about this in my empties video. So as of now, these were the changes that I noticed in my skin, and it has so far worked amazing for my skin. The Minimalist, I am very happy with this product, with the quality that this brand has to offer, and I'll be very happy to try other products from this brand, and I would highly recommend the 10% niacinamide one. If you're a beginner, go with the 5% one. I'll also mention the purchase link in the description box if you're interested to purchase. That is all with the review of this particular product. I hope you found something valuable in this video that helps you decide if you should go for this product. If you found something valuable, then please hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more such review videos, for skincare tips and makeup related videos. And you can find a lot of these videos from the description box down below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.